Hey friends! Today we learn about different professions. It means we'll talk about jobs and what people do in them. This guy will be our first to uncover. What is your profession, buddy? Let's color him and find out. For now, I'll share some hints with you. This person looks for tiny clues others miss. They solve mysteries when something goes wrong. They examine fingerprints to find matches and visit various locations to search for evidence. They help catch people who break laws. They surely work hard every day to keep us safe. Now, let's use stickers to complete their image. Here is the perfect mustache and a set of eyes giving a lost in the thoughts look. The most famous one wore a hat. And the best tool for them is a magnifying glass. Who is it? This is a detective. Detectives work in the police and undergo special training. They investigate fingerprints, photos, and written reports. They must tell the truth and follow strict rules. All right, let's move to the next person. Who is this gonna be? They wear a special uniform, usually blue, which means safety and stability. They help people when someone is in danger. Such heroes. They also drive cars with bright flashing lights. They can stop traffic so that children or elderly people can cross safely. They work day and night in many places and answer emergency calls very quickly. They protect neighborhoods, schools, and busy streets. Now, let's complete their looks using these colorful stickers. They surely should have a kind smile and focused, curious eyes. Here they are. This is a person you can rely on. They also wear shoulder straps to display their rank and have a baton for safety and control. Who is it? This is a police officer. Police officers train at special police academies. They turn on their car sirens in emergencies. They promise to protect people and follow the law. Check out this stranger. Who is this gonna be? Let's find out. This person helps people feel better when they are sick. They work in hospitals and clinics. They listen carefully to your heart with a stethoscope and may gently examine your ears, nose, and throat. They also check your temperature to see if you have a fever and may give medicine to help you heal faster. They wash their hands very carefully to stop germs from spreading and wear gloves during special examinations or procedures. What stickers shall we put on? First is a cap with a red cross. Then a set of gentle-looking eyes. And just check out this friendly smile. They also should wear a face mask for protection. And here is a tool called thermometer. Who is it? This is a doctor. Doctors study for many years at university and medical school to be able to help people. They work with nurses and other helpers in hospitals. Here's the next one with a secret profession. This person mixes flour, water, and yeast together to make dough. They measure ingredients carefully for good recipes and knead dough with strong hands. They use big ovens that get very hot to bake bread, cakes, and sweet cookies. They wear aprons to keep their clothes clean, and the room they are working in smells warm and delicious. Let's complete their looks. They usually wear hats to keep their hair out of the food. They often have warm, friendly faces that welcome their customers. And here is a freshly baked bread. So who is it? This is a baker. Bakers wake up early before the sun rises. They work in bakeries and shops to make fresh, warm bread and pastries. And many bakers learn their skills in cooking schools. So, who is gonna be the next mystery guy? This brave person runs toward fires. They wear heavy yellow coats and strong helmets. They carry hoses that spray powerful water and climb tall ladders to reach windows. They practice drills to stay strong and ready. They use masks to breathe clean air when helping people leave smoky buildings safely. They also respond to accidents, floods, and other disasters. Now, it's sticker time. Here is a protective helmet. Their eyes stay focused and alert while working. Even though their job is tough, they still smile gently to comfort people. And this is a fire extinguisher for small fires. Who is it? This is a firefighter. Many firefighters learn first aid to help injured people. They ride in a big red truck that carries water, hoses, and rescue tools. They train regularly to handle fires and emergencies safely and fast. All right, who is this mystery person in the middle? They run fast across a big green field and kick a round ball. They have a team where everyone wears matching shirts with bright numbers. They pass the ball to teammates carefully to score a goal into a net. If they break the rules, a referee blows a whistle, and the game may pause. No matter what, they have a group of genuine fans who cheer them loudly, especially when they score goals. Any ideas who this is, kids? Hold on! Let's put on some stickers first. Here is a ball they play with. Look, they're watching after the other teammates or a rival team. They look concerned. Maybe their team is losing. Who is it? This is a soccer player. Each team has 11 players on the field during a 90-minute match. They practice long hours on the field. So who is gonna be next? Let's find out. They help people change how their hair looks. They wash their hair with warm water and bubbles, then carefully trim it to make neat shapes. They use hair dryers that blow warm air to dry and style the hair. They often wear aprons to protect their own clothes. What is the final look gonna be? They put on a gentle smile while talking with their customers. It also helps their clients to relax. They use combs and scissors in their work. Who is it? This is a hairdresser. Many hairdressers study at special beauty schools. They learn about hair types and scalp care. Now, we move to the next mystery. This person helps build houses and tall buildings using bricks, wood, and strong metal beams. They read blueprints before starting work and measure spaces with long tape measures. They use hammers to drive nails into wood and mix cement to make strong concrete. They also help repair broken roofs and walls and make places safe for families to live. Just a few final touches left. Their faces may look serious during heavy work, but they still smile proudly after finishing a project. Their eyes stay alert around moving machines. And they often use drills and wrenches while working. Wearing a helmet is a must, too. So, friends, who is it? This is a builder. Many builders learn skills through training on site. They must follow safety rules to prevent injuries at work. Builders create safe places for people. Only 2 mysteries left. Who is this person gonna be? They work in a place where many books live together. They place books in order on tall shelves and use computers to quickly find information. They speak softly so the room stays quiet and read stories aloud during special story time. They give special cards to borrow books and stamp books with return dates inside. They help keep books safe from damage. Now, what stickers will fit them most? They usually wear glasses to help their eyes focus. They often have calm, gentle expressions and smile kindly. And you can find them with a stack of books in their hands. This is a librarian. Librarians often study library science at a university. They organize books and help people quickly find the needed one. Here is the last mystery we will uncover today. This person uses their voice to make music. They stand on a stage with bright lights and hold a microphone close to their mouth. They practice songs daily and should learn the words and melodies by heart. They sing loudly or softly to express their feelings and listen carefully to the music's rhythm. They control breathing while singing long notes and warm up their voices before shows. They perform for crowds or record songs in music studios. Let's pick the stickers! Here is a crown for a memorable look. Usually they wear many accessories to be seen from afar on a high stage. Their faces should reflect the song's feelings. This one is singing a happy song for sure. And here's a mic to make their voice louder. Who is it? This is a singer! Professional singers often train with music teachers. They practice breathing and train their vocal cords. Friends, we've learned about so many professions today. Let's take a closer look at them. Good job, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.